Hey everyone, this is Card Addict 23, and I guess I'm gonna psych you out again. I was gonna open the Surging Tins, but not yet. It's so special. Instead, I'm just gonna open up this Lorcana Disney Shimmering Skies that I technically got for my little one, but I can show my little one what they got in the cards after, because I'm gonna make a video out of it first. Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone is able to get all the different cards they're looking for, whether it be Pokemon or sports cards, whatever it may be. But anyway, I'm not too familiar at all with Lorcana cards. I gotten a few for my little one before, but I am not really sure at all what's good or not, but we're just gonna take a look. Ooh, we got Robin Hood. I used to love this animation, Robin Hood. One of my classic favorites. We got Pete. We got Gazelle. We got Gathering Knowledge and Wisdom. Got Rudy. Vision of the Future. We got another Robin Hood. This one might be better, I'm not sure, but it looks a little bit better. A little different. We got Try Everything. We got another Pete. Oh, we got Anna. That's awesome. We got Sir Ector. And we got a holographic Sven. Alright. Well, if you joined any of these cards, please leave a like and comment and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.